Seeing ads for the Funfany Shirem Cooling Ace everywhere, it claims to be a portable cooling device to beat the heat. Small, powerful, and easy to carry. But does it actually work or is it just another viral scam product? This review is based on public information and personal opinion. Always do your own research before buying anything online. And also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide how I do the exact process. Links in the description. So the Shirem Cooling Ace is marketed as a wearable mini air conditioner. Sounds convenient, especially in hot weather. But according to a Malware Tips article, things aren't so chill. The site selling it has some shady red flags, poor trust scores, no real customer service, and lots of complaints about people receiving cheap knockoffs or nothing at all. It's the kind of product that relies heavily on flashy ads and impulsive buys. So, is the Funfany Shirem Cooling Ace legit? Honestly, it looks more like a gimmick than a gadget. It might blow a little air your way, but don't expect serious cooling. And definitely be careful where you're buying from. Tried it yourself? Let us know in the comments, and if you want more no fluff reviews on Chinese products, make sure to like and subscribe.